On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram problem easily and fast. So all what you wanna do actually is very simple. Just go to the settings, go to the apps. Now on this page you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. Click on Telegram and after that force stop the app from here and then click on permissions. And when you click on permissions, now all what you wanna do is make sure to enable all permissions. Go back again and then click on the storage right here. Click on clear cache. Click on manage space. Go back. Click on this power usage details. Click on the app launch. Enable this option here in the top. Click OK. Go back to the settings. Click on wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for let's say 30 seconds, and after that disable it and reopen Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.